Hi guys, today we will open a case of Gold Premium Infinity Bling, the French version. Let's do a fast forward while I get rid of the box and plastic. Let's start now. So in this set there is 21 OCG imports and 79 reprints. Also, this is a French set, so there will be only 2 per box, like this, not 3 like in America. So here we have Castel, Mistake, Ghost Ogre. This is a short print, I think, so it's very good. 84 and Traptrix. I don't remember the name of this one. Tutures. Trapple. Right. Then we have Flare. We have Storming Mirror Force. Traveler. The robot thing. And Void Trapple. The interesting ones for the ECG imports right now are Beatrice number 6, 38 and 37. So here we have Babar, Cheatery, Brainwashing, Robot again, and Time-Space Trapple. So we have the whole engine of Trapple. We also have the Cosmo with emergency teleport and Reasoning. Here we have BA Thing, Bahamut Shark, Draco Face Off, 77, Beatrice, really awesome art, too bad it's in gold. And we have also the Ghost Ogre Maxi BA engine, as I said, the Big Eye, Metal Flare Dragon, Daigusto Emerald, Giant Hand, Mirror Force, Mistake, and Eccentric Archfinch that are really good reprints in this set. Here we have Vigil, Ouroboros, Mirror Force, the new Monarch that's pretty bad, and Blackhorn, Irritad. Then we have Dante, the Pilgrim one, M7, Dark Mirror Force, the Phantom Knights cards, and as they say in Germany, Strohmann. I don't know how to use German. German cards are the best. Burning card, Dorito, Breakthrough Skill. This one is pretty useless, and Sleep Rider. As we say in French, it's a chevaucheur de slip. The good Dante. What? God, why did they do this? Gold, he didn't deserve this. Volcasaurus again, Fairy Wind, this card, and Trap card again. So the last 2 we have Cheatery again, Brainwashing, Remove Brainwashing, Virgil, the Monarch thingy, and the common that everyone has and didn't want it in gold. And for the last one we have Bahamut Shark, Draco Face Off, Eccentric, which is not bad, 35, sorry, and this one is a Forerunner, yeah. So we got good cards. I don't know if it was the set, but at least it's something. Yeah, it's something. So here's a recap of what I got. So 2 Cheatery, 2 Bahamut, 1 Castel, Ouroboros, Dante, Casares, Naruto, Virgil, 2 of them, Dante, Babar, and this one. 2 Drago Face Off, 1 Terminus, 3 Mirror, Mistake, Breakthrough. And for the secret gold, 7, 84, 35, Strawman, this one, the 2 robots, Monarch, the trap things, the 2 horn things, only one Phantom Knight card, but it sucks anyway, and just random cards that we don't need. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.